So yeah, he was there. Good to know that.
Yeah. So did you go to like in the morning? Did you go for?
Yeah. OP Sharma sir was there.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm forgetting other names. They were all there.
Which house were you in?
I was in Nehru. Nehru
This
House?
is Nehru House.
The best house.
Yeah, I mean, so let me tell you about Nehru House. I mean, of course, I'm much older than you, but when I was in school, Nehru House was pathetic in sports. We had never won anything.
We had changed it.
Yeah, so let me no, I changed it.
Okay.
Okay, this is way back. I'm talking about the 80s. And it was like, when her sporting event mein we are last,
Yeah.
It was Shivaji House or Pratap.
Yeah.
They used to get all the thing
Yeah.
and we used to be called कि तुम debating कर लो.
Yeah.
तुम्हारे बस की नहीं है sports. And for me that was a red flag. And I used to be told कि you madrasi, like no chance. Maths पढ़ लो या
Yeah.
ये कुछ
Yeah.
कर लो.
Yeah.
There's no way. And it used to really bother me. And then in one meeting, and even the teachers who were in charge of our house, they were very nerdy kind of
Yeah,
teachers.
yeah.
So hum log ne bola, I'm sorry viewers, I know Sunil is the boss, but I have to share
No,
this
please,
with you.
please.
So we were told that Nehru House sports nahi karega. I told the teacher, I said, kitna or sports day mein we are going to be the last in this.
Yeah. Participation.
हाँ, participation certificate या फिर march past में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा,
Yeah.
So I said, no, we have to. So we really worked. It took 2 years
Yeah.
of training really hard and going after Rajpal sir and saying that, please, train us. And I was like this thin person,
Yeah.
vegetarian, and he used to say, anda kha ke aaya kar.
Yeah.
And I used to say, I don't care. And so I played every sport for the sake of my house.
Yeah.
And it took 2 years. The sports captain was from Nehru House then.
Nice.
And the year the sports captain was from Nehru House, I became the school captain. I became prefect. And it was only because of sports.
Lovely.
It was only because I was told, nahi kar sakte tum.
Amazing.
Did that happen with you in sports that you can't do this, so you did it? Like a red flag?
Not in the school, because right from when I can remember, I was pretty good at sports. मेरी स्टोरी आपसे थोड़ी उल्टी है
हाँ.
कि आप डिबेट नहीं कर सकते हो, आप पढ़ाई में अच्छे नहीं हो, आप मैथ्स में अच्छे नहीं हो, तो it's ऐसा स्पोर्ट्स ही खेल लो. Little bit like that. Our batch did not spend too much time on studying. So we were always on the ground, on the pitch. We weren't bunking, if kids are listening. So we did all right in sports. We had quite a dominance.
So no classes.
Less classes. There were some teachers. I think what I realize now is there are some teachers who had the power of keeping us in the class, which wasn't easy. The mind was already wondering कि बाहर ही रहना है, because we were in sports. But there were some teachers who were magical, who could make a subject more interesting. Because at the end of the day, आप कोई भी हो, अगर कुछ interest करेगा आपको, आप वहाँ जाओगे. A lot of kids who bunk is because their interest lies of what they want to do outside.
You didn't bunk, huh?
I said I didn't.
Were you famous
But
in school?
I'm sure Ridge Road से तो सब लोग जाते
बाहर
हैं.
नहीं गए.
हाँ.
बाहर नहीं गया, but yes, we were already allowed couple of classes to be outside to play because we were in the school team. उसके बाद कभी-कभी 2 क्लास ऊपर 2 क्लास नीचे होता रहता. Yeah, but I think, as I said, a few teachers made it really interesting, the classes. तो उन्होंने जो पढ़ाया वो याद रह गया.
What did you play in school?
Football, cricket. That was the main. Volleyball. The main sports I used to play.
We'll come to cricket. I just want to ask, were you famous in school? How did you deal with that tension if you were famous in school?
I think I was fairly famous, but because now I know what fame actually means. So when I compare it, I always say I was all right. But at that time, I used to feel, wow, this is unbelievable.
So girlfriends happened because of sports?
No, not at the time. I was famous for sports. I wasn't good looking. So there was a segregation. There were a lot of boys who were, the ones who play guitar, the ones who were really tall and handsome. They're the ones who got a lot of female attention. We were of the other attention that we were good at sports. There's always a segregation in school, So we weren't. I wasn't in that group of the tall, good-looking, nice, well-spoken, articulate. I wasn't one of them. I was more rash, and so.
Why didn't you try for NDA with your dad also?
I really wanted to.
You wanted to?
I really wanted to.
Everybody in APS wants to go to
I really
NDA.
wanted to. But then you know what happened? I think after some time I got scared. I think when the Kargil war was happening, there were few martyrs who were from our school, and their parents came, and that memory will never go out of my head.
Yes.
And then after, when I was supposed to go and give the ND exams, it always played in my head that do I really have it in me? Because it's real. It's not a movie where a movie is made and the guy goes and he sacrifices his life. This was happening at real time in our school.
Yeah.
There were seniors. One of them, couple of them were just 5-6 years elder to us. So you could hear the stories and you thought. So when my time came of giving ND exams, the written exams, I was scared. I actually asked myself, do you really have it in you?
Yeah, so the last time I went to APS
Yeah.
was an old students meet, and when I went out there, it was I think it wasn't just an old students meet, but it was also some others had come in. It was that. And when I went in, I saw pictures on the wall of people who were from my batch, a little junior to me, Kargil martyrs, and I saw parents of parents who I had seen during our sports days.
Wow.
During our sports day wala event, they used to come for their children.
Yeah.
They were being honored by the principal because those children had died in the Kargil war. That was the last time I went, because it was scary that so many of your classmates had passed away and died in action.
Yeah.
I mean, the Indian Army doesn't use the word martyrs, so maybe I used wrong. It was who were brave hearts who died in action. But
Sacrificed
you
their lives,
saw
yeah.
sacrifice their lives. And, it's a different kind of a feeling.
Yeah.
And I think a lot of it, when I read that you were from Army Public School, then I realized where a lot of your Desh Bhakti comes so naturally to you. It's not something which you've grown up with it.
Yeah,
You've
thank
grown up in a cantonment life.
Yeah,
You've
yeah,
grown up in.
Yeah.
So
That's in me, yeah.
It's your skin.
Yes. And because my dad, my uncles, mamas and everyone were in army at the time, it was a but obvious kind of a path that mujhe bhi ye banna hai. And but in between I realized it's not easy, because you always thought physically fit hona hai, thoda padhai karna hai, thoda smart hona hai, ye hai wo hai, ND exam dena ho jayega. But then when these things happen, you realize this is real. And to my fortune, right after class 12th, I got a call from Mohan Bagan, and my professional journey started. Otherwise, yeah, I don't know what I would have done.
So was it football that you wanted always? Did you think of
I did
cricket?
not know. No, I love football more. I'm not sure whether I was that good in cricket. I played it because I enjoyed it, but I wasn't. There is some burning sensation which happens when you play a specific sport. For me, that was always football. At the school level, yeah, go
You
on.
have just been told that you used to play cricket a lot.
Yeah,
first-class
I used
cricket.
to. I used to enjoy it. At that time, at that level, I was good at it. But then football was always.
घर पे क्या था? Pressure था कभी that cricket खेलना है या?
I have the best upbringing, man. My mother always used to tell me.
Both of them were sports persons,
Yes.
right?
My father was absent because of him being in army.
But he played in the
Yeah,
army.
yeah. Man, for me, घर पे था, जो भी करो दिल से करो, and you don't have to lie to us. So I was enjoying, because I could see what was happening in the neighborhood. कि बाकी दोस्तों को फोर्स किया जा रहा है कि ये करो वो करो. हमें कभी फोर्स नहीं किया है घर पे. जो करना है करो, बस दिल से करो. So in return, what my mom got was, we were always, if I wanted to watch television, I was watching television. If I wanted to go and play, I was going and play. If I wanted to study, I was studying. There was no. She gave me the ownership right when I was really young. She's like, don't lie to me. Just do whatever you want, but do it properly.
That's kind of rare, no?
I know. And even at that time, I realized it. But at that time, you don't have a profound mind to think and analyze or see the philosophical part of it. At that time, I used to laugh at my friends. किताब खोल लिया, पर टीवी के बारे में सोच रहे हो, टीवी देख रहे हो, पर खेलने के बारे में सोच रहे हो, डाइनिंग टेबल पे पढ़ाई के बारे में सोच रहे हो, वगैरह वगैरह. I never had to go through it. I was doing exactly what I wanted.
But you also need parental encouragement, because getting into sports, like I played, when you're doing inter-school, then you do zones, then you go to inter-zonal. But जब आप वो state level के लिए select हो जाते हो, और वो state level पे जाना पड़ता है, that means you need a lot of parental support. You
Yeah.
need financial support.
Yeah.
At what point of time was it some kind of a hurdle? कि हाँ, my parents can't afford to do this for me. I will need scholarship, I will need help?
I think my mom and dad, especially my mom, because I think she was oblivious to all these things. I don't think she took the pressure that like I'm a parent now. I've got a lot of parent friends. I don't think my mom took that kind of pressure. क्या करेगा, क्या बनेगा, क्या बात है. She just, I think we were living at the moment. We were just living कि हाँ आज हो गया, today was good. I think more, the thinking part was done more by my father, who was away and who will come couple of months in a year and he'll ask stuff and he'll ask me, what are you doing, what do you think.
He was in non-family always.
He was what?
In non-family stations.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
said he used to come.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah. Majority of the times, yes. He was in Kashmir, he was in Kargil, like that. So when he came, there were serious questions about, semi-serious questions about what are you going to do. But at home with my mom, we never thought, which career path you are good at, how much you're going to make, nothing. We're just living. Me, my mom and sister, we were just living. And as I said, thankfully at the right time, which is after class 12th, I got to Mohun Bagan. And then I could see what can I earn, what is this and what and that. So the pressure didn't mount as much. But घर पे कभी था ही नहीं मॉम को मेरे को या मुझे या बंधु को मेरी बहन को कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं. We're just living.
But it was so early in life that you got picked
Yes.
by Mohun Bagan.
Yes.
Did you realize कि ये इतनी बड़ी चीज़ है?
Not until I reached there. And even when I